Shall we see the sweet flavor of God's own country today? Hello, namaste, vanakkam. आप कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? தமைக்கேம்ச்சோ? நீங்களுக்கு சுகமானோ? Yes? Flashing beautiful smiles on your face? Hama, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. Most of us like to have sweets, but what about black halwa from Kerala? How many of you like? Let me know in the comment section. This video is on sweet flavors of Kerala, kozhikode, traditional halwa of 7 flavors including black and red halwa. Purchased on Amazon stores. Packing was good. This is how they came up in a box. As you see in the picture, these are 7 different flavors of traditional Kerala halwa from aaDhil Kerala traditional halwa collections. These are very expensive. It costs nearly 850 rupees. You have it in Amazon and Flipkart stores. These are mostly made up of Jaggery flour and ghee, and puts your weight up and you become plump. Over a period of time, you start eating. They are hard to eat, chewy like bubblegum, but they are tasty. Though we make it home, we don't get that flavor of Kerala. So whenever you go to Kerala, don't miss them to taste them. Now you can have an eye on all the flavors of Kerala halwa. Did you watch the video? Which flavor of halwa do you like? Let me know in the comment section. Have a happy Kerala Halwa Day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Flying Skies One for more videos. Good day. Keep smiling.